Hi guys, and welcome to the tutorial where we will explain how you can win disputes on Stripe. So let's jump right in. So first, when a customer files a dispute, Stripe will notify you through email and inside your Stripe dashboard. You'll usually see a red alert or notification letting you know that a dispute has been opened. Click on the Disputes section in your Stripe dashboard to get all the details. Here, you'll find the reason for the dispute, the amount, and any message from the customer. It's important to respond before the deadline shown, usually within 7 to 21 days, so don't delay. To win a dispute, the most important thing is to provide strong, clear evidence that supports your case. Start by giving a detailed explanation of what the customer purchased and why the charge was valid. If you shipped a physical product, include proof of delivery such as a tracking number, shipment confirmation, or even a signed delivery receipt. If you delivered a digital product or service, include login records, timestamps, or download confirmations that show the customer accessed what they paid for. You can also upload screenshots or email threads that show any communication between you and the customer. Make sure to add your terms of service or refund policy, especially if the customer agreed to it during checkout, because that can be very helpful for your case. Once your evidence is ready, upload all your files neatly and clearly, then click Submit Evidence. Stripe will then send your documents to the cardholder's bank, and they'll review everything before making a final decision. Keep in mind, it might take up to 60 to 75 days to get a final outcome. To boost your chances of winning disputes in the future, always try to get delivery confirmation, communicate clearly with your customers, keep strong records of every transaction, and make your refund policy easy to access and understand. And that's it. If you follow these steps and stay organized, you'll give yourself a much better chance of winning any dispute on Stripe.